Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at a last minute trade we had in gold today. Actually, weren't anticipating this, but worked out nicely. This is our 30-minute chart in gold, and gold kind of all over the place today. It's a little bullish early, and then it kind of just started drifting lower. And coming into the afternoon trading session, gold had left this topping tail, and we were kind of hovering at the 50 EMA. And as you can see, 50 EMA is very, very often significant support and resistance. Price kind of hangs out here. We left this topping tail. Next bar pushed under the 50, closed right at it. And the next bar actually closed underneath it, causing the 5 and 13 to cross to the downside. 50's under the 200, 5 and 13 cross to the downside, and we had bearish momentum. And then again, we moved mostly sideways to slightly down. And this was over like 2.5 hours. Pretty slow grind, slightly lower throughout the afternoon. And then we triggered the bearish inflection, broke out of compression, and then gold made a nice run to the downside. Hit significantly undervalued at a target area. Our target area was 1846.10. Low of that bar was actually 1845.70, but we were significantly undervalued at a target area, so a good place to take profits. And this is the chart that we were trading it off of. This is our Unorenco chart. And when we came into the room in the afternoon, we were kind of right in here, and we could see that gold was pivoting between this significant pivot high right here and this significant pivot low right here. And you can see gold was just pivoting inside that. We came into the room right here in this area. We went ahead and marked our channel. We put our line in at the top of the significant pivot high, at the bottom of the significant pivot low, and then gold continued to kind of just chop around inside there. And then again, the last couple hours of the day, you could see gold was on a very slow grind to the downside, kind of pushed down and up, down, back up, down, up. We were on a very slow grind, but working our way lower. We had a bearish 30-minute chart, and this was moving very slow. Now, these bars are not time-based. They move according to price. And you can see from this point right here, the time was 12:20 Central Time, and we didn't get our breakout until 2:40 Central Time. So you can see, this movement right here happened over a 2-hour period. So it was just a real slow grind to the downside. But then we got the breakout out of compression, and we made a nice push to the downside. Compression break happened around 1852.80. We pushed all the way down to our target down at 1846.10. Now you had the potential to grab $500 or $600 off of that, just kind of depending on how you traded that and where you were actually willing to take your profits at. But and then that last move happened in like the last 10 or 15 minutes. So again, pretty quick, $400, $500, $600 again, just depending on how you traded it and where you decided to take your profits. But again, like I said, you had the potential to make anywhere, between $400 to $600, and again, all on how you traded it. But you definitely had the potential there. And that happened in like the last 10 or 15 minutes of the day. So kind of a nice surprise for a nice profitable trade to the downside in gold right at the end of the day.